Hi, this is Abdul and you're watching another unbox and first impressions. This time I've been waiting, I'm not waiting, I've been sitting on the sidelines since a long time to get a bronze watch. And I wanted to get the Black Bay, the new Black Bay, the older Black Bay actually, and then the newer Black Bay. And I thought, okay, first let's try something, maybe a micro brand that I didn't have tried yet, and then we'll see if I really like the bronze idea or not. So, just came from FedEx, really well packed. So let's just split it from the side. Box. And as you can see, I'm cutting the packages with my special watch, my Damask steel watch, as you can see. And here we go. Really nice pouch for the traveling pouch for the watches. And as you can see, go a little bit closer, it's an Ergon Maelstrom. And the watch is here, comes well packed in this bag. And here we go. Let's take the stickers off. Huh. Actually, I really like that blue gradient smoky dial. I was thinking about the green one, but I already have the Alpinist, and I might someday get a Hulk, so didn't want to have 3 green watches. As you can see, the crown action is not bad at all. Everything is aligned, everything looks good, as you can see on the back. And this is number, just let me take the sticker off so we can read the numbers better. And as you can see, it's number 66 out of 100. I actually asked them if they have the numbers, and these are and 6 is my favorite number, so I asked them if they have 6 or 66, and I think 6 was sold, so they got me 66. So it has wine packing. I think it has also stop seconds, date on the 6 o'clock, and a really nice rubber strap, and actually a Horween leather strap. So you get the Horween leather strap with a fast changing spring bars. Actually, I think I would use this strap on another watch because I like the Horween leather. It's really nice, really supple, soft, and at the same time looks really vintage inspired. So I think maybe on a nice Zin or something it will look really nice. 1-year warranty from April, number 66. And I really like actually a traveling bag. That's the thing that I would be using the most actually. As you can see, I have here my EPOS regulator, so I'll give you a quick wrist shot of how the watch will look on my wrist. I have actually a rather average wrist, so I have a 16.5 centimeter wrist. So it's maybe 6.5 inches if you're from the US. So just let me close the watch. I really like this style of rubber straps. It's perfect for the summer and for swimming, with all these holes for breathability. And I love to make my watch actually very tight. I don't like to leave any spaces so the watch doesn't move. And as you can see, that's the wrist shot. So thank you for watching. I'll be posting a couple of new videos actually in the next weeks or so about a couple of what's my favorite dive watches around under 3,000, my favorite dress watches, and I will have a couple of interesting topics. So if you have any kind of recommendation for topics, if you have any discussions you want to discuss, please leave a comment, like, subscribe, and drop me a text if you like the video and you want to ask anything about the watch or any other watch. So have a great time.